Chime versus Cash App versus SoFi. Best online bank for beginners. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to managing your money digitally and looking for the best online banking platform, should I go with Chime or Cash App or SoFi right here? All three are popular, mobile friendly, and comes with cool features, but they serve different needs. So in this video, I'll break down Chime versus Cash App versus SoFi and help you decide which one is best for beginners. We'll go ahead and look at their banking features, fees, saving options, credit tools, and overall user experience. Now, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. First things first, let's talk about the basic banking features. Now, for Chime, they offer a spending account and optional savings account. You have direct deposits, bill pays, mobile check deposits. You have no minimum balance and over 600 or 60,000 fee-free ATMs via MoneyPass and Allpoint. Now with Cash App, technically not a full bank but offers a Cash App balance that works like a checking account. You can get a cash card direct deposit and routing or account number. No real savings account, but you can stash funds in folders. Now for SoFi, it is a full-featured SoFi checking and savings account. You can earn interest on both accounts. You have direct deposits, overdraft coverage, mobile deposits, etc. And you have access to over 55,000 fee-free ATMs out there. Now, they're more like a hybrid of traditional banking and fintech. Now for features, the winner is SoFi because they offer a complete and integrated banking suite with interest, flexibility, and real saving tools. Now let's talk about the fees and transparency. Let's talk about how much it actually costs to use these platforms. Let's start with Chime. Chime offers no monthly fees, no overdraft fees, and no minimums. SpotMe lets you overdraft up to $200 with no fees. So if you're using your Chime account and you're short, Chime got you. And lastly, they have no hidden charges. Now for Cash App, they have no monthly fees or maintenance fees, but they charges around 0.5% to 1.75% for instant transfers and fees for some investing and crypto transaction. Some ATM withdrawals cost money unless you get $300 plus in monthly direct deposits. Now for SoFi, they have no monthly or overdraft fees and they offer up to $2 million FDIC insurance through sweep networks. No fees for P2P transfers or using ATM in network. Now once again, the winner is going to be Chime. It's laser focused on keeping banking free and simple for beginners. Now, let's navigate through the savings and interest earnings. Which app helps you grow your money? Now for Chime, they offer a saving account with automatic roundups. The interest rate is very low, typically around 0.5% APY. Now for Cash App, they have no formal savings account or interest. You can just separate money into folders, but it doesn't grow, meaning there's no interest. Now SoFi offers high yield savings with up to 4.6% APY as of today. You also have tools for auto saving, saving goals, and vaults. The winner is going to be SoFi. Clearly better for people who want to actually earn interest in their money. Now, let's talk about the overpay and overdraft options. Getting paid early is a big deal, especially for beginners. Let's start with Chime. Chime get paid for up to 2 days early, or they have that option. They offer SpotMe that lets you overdraft for up to $200 with no fees. And they're super helpful if you're living paycheck to paycheck. Now for Cash App. They also offer early direct deposits for up to 1 to 2 days earlier. No overdraft transactions, just decline if there's not enough money. So if you're short, it doesn't have that feature. Now for SoFi, they offer early direct deposits too. and up to $50 in no-fee overdraft coverage if you meet deposit requirements. Now, in this category, the winner is Chime. It's built for early pay plus fee-free overdraft support, making it ideal for beginners managing tight budgets. From there, let's head over to credit building and extra tools. Let's see which platform helps you build credit or grow long term. Now, Chime offers the Credit Builder Card, a secured card with no interest or credit check. It's great for beginners with no credit history. For Cash App, you have no credit building tools, but it does offer Bitcoin and stock investing, which may appeal to younger users. SoFi offers the SoFi credit score monitoring for free, also has credit cards, personal loans, and investing all in one application. It's great for people who want to grow beyond basic banking. The winner is going to be tied between Chime and SoFi. Chime is perfect for beginners starting from zero, and SoFi is better if you're planning to grow into more complex financial tools. Now, let's talk about their ease of use and app experience, since this is a beginner guide. All three applications are designed to be mobile first, but which one is the best? Now, Chime offers simple interface and they're really easy to navigate. They have real-time alerts for every transaction and they have no clutter, just straight banking. Now for Cash App, they're very fast, minimalist, and social focused. It's great for spending money, splitting bills, or quick payments, but lacks deeper banking features. For SoFi, they offer more comprehensive but slightly more complex interface. They're packed with tools like banking, investing, loans, credit, budgeting, and more. Now the winner is Cash App for speed, Chime for balance, and SoFi for all-in-one power. Basically, if you want something fast and simple, use Cash App. If you want no fast banking, use Chime. And if you want everything in one place, use SoFi. From there, let's then navigate through the customer support and reputation. When things go bad, who got your back? Basically, Chime offers support via app chat and phone. Some users report long wait times, but generally positive, and they have well-established reputation. For Cash App, they have limited support options, mostly email and in-chat or in-app chat. They have mixed reviews on issue resolution. And SoFi offers 24/7 live support, real people on the phone. It is highly rated for customer service. The winner is going to be SoFi because it's best for responsiveness and real-time support. Now, that wraps up for our full comparison of Chime versus Cash App. Now, if you're asking me, you want to use Chime if you're just starting out and need simplicity. You want to use SoFi if you want to build wealth and credit over time, and you want to use Cash App as a side tool for spending and receiving money, not as your main bank. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.